can completely get rid of bed bugs in 7 days. But for this, you should understand bed bugs and how to apply treatments correctly. Ensuring the cleanliness of your bedding, linens, and clothing through a meticulous washing process is a pivotal step in eradicating bed bugs and preventing their resurgence. Initiate the procedure by meticulously sorting items, separating colours, delicate fabrics, and whites to enable a tailored washing approach. Prior to washing, scrutinise fabric labels to confirm their tolerance to high temperatures, crucial for eliminating bed bugs. Adjust the washing machine settings to the highest temperature permissible for the fabrics, typically around 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring a lethal environment for bed bugs and their eggs. Proper loading of the washing avoids overcrowding, allowing water and detergent to circulate effectively. Through a complete washing cycle, the synergy of hot water and detergent not only eradicates bed bugs, but also eliminates their feces and shedded skin. Swiftly transfer the washed items to the dryer, configuring it to the highest permissible temperature, as the intense heat further guarantees the elimination of bed bugs and their eggs. The subsequent thorough drying process not only reinforces the extermination, but also prevents reinfestation during storage. Post-drying, meticulous inspection ensures the absence of bed bugs and appropriate folding and storage and sealed containers, or bedbug-proof encasements that will provide an additional layer of protection against reinfestation, thus augmenting the overall efficacy of your bedbug eradication strategy. Incorporating food-grade diatomaceous earth into your bedbug control regimen involves a strategic and non-toxic approach to combating these persistent pests. Begin by methodically sprinkling this fine white powder around the perimeter of the room, with particular emphasis on areas in close proximity to the bed, an environment bedbugs favour. This natural substance, derived from the fossilized remains of microscopic algae, is completely safe from humans but acts as a lethal barrier for bedbugs. Diatomaceous earth works by abrading the waxy outer layer of bedbugs, causing them to dehydrate and perish. Its application around the bed and in potential hiding spots creates an inhospitable environment for bedbugs, acting as a preventative measure and disrupting their movement. After a thorough application, consider reapplying diatomaceous earth after vacuuming to maintain its efficacy. This step is essential for long-term control, as vacuuming may remove the powder over time. Integrating a steam cleaner into your comprehensive bedbug eradication strategy proves instrumental in effectively eliminating these resilient pests. This environmentally friendly approach employs high temperatures to systematically exterminate bedbugs and their eggs without the use of chemicals. The process begins by carefully selecting a steam cleaner designed specifically for pest control, ensuring it generates steam at temperatures above 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius for maximum effectiveness. Before commencing, clear the treatment area of bedding and linens, allowing unobstructed access for the steam cleaner. A meticulous inspection and vacuuming of the mattress, bed frame and furniture surface precede the steam cleaning, removing surface debris and identifying bedbug hiding spots. Filling the steam cleaner with distilled water prevents mineral buildup, optimizing the delivery of clean, high-temperature steam. The steam cleaner is then methodically maneuvered across the mattress and furniture surface, paying special attention to seams and crevices where bedbugs typically reside. Consistent motion and proper nozzle proximity ensure thorough coverage and penetration of materials. Depending on the severity of the infestation, multiple steam cleaning sessions may be necessary to address resilient bedbugs. After treatment, allowing sufficient drying time is crucial to prevent mold growth and ensure the complete elimination of any remaining pests. Implementing bedbug-proof mattresses and box spring encasements constitutes a crucial defensive measure in the battle against these resilient pests. These specialized encasements act as protective barriers, serving to trap any lingering bedbugs and thwart their ability to escape or feed. By enveloping the mattress and box spring with these impermeable covers, you create an inhospitable environment for bedbugs, denying them access to the host and impeding their movements. The tightly woven fabrics act as a formidable barrier, preventing bedbugs from penetrating or escaping, and effectively isolating them within the encasement. The strategy not only confines existing bedbugs, but also hinders their reproductive cycle, ultimately contributing to the reduction of the infestation. Additionally, bedbug-proof encasements offer peace of mind by safeguarding against potential reinfestations and facilitating easier detection of any persistent bugs. I mentioned earlier that baby powder can be a weapon to get rid of bedbugs. However, to get results, you need to know how to correctly apply it. So check out this tutorial video where you will learn everything about baby powder for bedbugs.